Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to look at wallets and security. Where you can keep your cryptocurrencies and how you can secure them. You know. Now, basically, just like your bank account, if you want to save your money, you either go to GT Bank, Access, whatever. Kuda, you open an account with them. They give you account number, and then you can call that your bank account. That's where you save your money there. I know you can withdraw it anytime that you want to withdraw it. Also, you have some security measures you have to take, like okay, don't reveal the numbers in your ATM. Keep your code safe and all those things. The same thing applies to cryptocurrencies. The same thing. We have wallets that you can save your cryptocurrencies in. You know, there is one which is one of the most popular one that you might have heard of. Trust Wallet. Yeah, Trust Wallet. Yeah, look at it. It's Trust Wallet. Can you see? It's mobile friendly. You download it on your Android. I think it has. Okay, you can see. You download it on Android on your Google Play or the App Store. You download it, and then we have one for desktop and also for desktop and also for mobile too. MetaMask. 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 Can you see? MetaMask.io. That is, you can download it for your laptops and also on your phone. Now, when you download it on your laptop, like in Google Chrome. I am currently using Chrome. You download it as extension. You can see extension. You can see the MetaMask there, extension, and then when you see it, it pop up. So it's asking me to input my security code now, my password to unlock. Yeah, you can see I have unlocked it. So when you do this, basically you can add. Look at it. You can add networks here. Can you see? You can add network. Remember, I told you I explained something for you called blockchain. That we have different kinds of blockchain. We have Bitcoin. If you remember the last video, we have Ethereum and others. Look at it. This Ethereum. This is another blockchain here. Moonriver. BSC mining. That's Binance Machine. This is another blockchain. Chronos. BTC. Phantom. FTM. That's another blockchain. We have KCC mining. That's another blockchain. So then from there we can kind of. There is another site that helps with that, shinlist.org. Shinlist.org. Okay. So you can see it's straightforward. So if you just want to add any network, take for instance now, if you are replicating this, you've already downloaded MetaMask, you've added it as extension. If you want to, then you can just go there. Which network do you think we should use? Okay, let's look at Havas. That is a Avalanche this thing. Havas. Okay, we have to search for Havas. Okay, it's not popping up. It should pop up. It should pop up. Oh, okay. Sorry, it's still. You can see it's now loading. Can you see? Havas minutes. So you just connect wallet. We connect our wallet to it. Connect and add to met. No, reject. Don't worry. Let's cancel. We're not approving. Add to MetaMask. Okay, I think it has been added like that. Okay, it's approved. Switch network. So you can see we've currently added the Avalanche minutes there. So that's just it. So that's wallet for you. Again, that's wallet for you. That's wallet for you. Just two types. You see something about cryptocurrency is it's easy. It's easy. I get it. It's very simple because now you see when I have a bank account with GT, I get in Guaranteed Trust Bank. When I have a bank account with them, I can't use the same account number with, maybe I have the Polaris. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, okay, take for instance now, okay, I now give somebody my account number that, okay, see, take this account number. I did not give the person the bank. Are you getting, like, if the person should book Polaris, then you just bring another person name. If the account is there, then you can pay to someone else. But it's not like that in crypto world. And also in crypto world, for instance now, I can have account number on my Trust Wallet. I get it on my Trust Wallet in my phone. I get it. And I can import it on my laptop. That is, I can transfer it on my laptop. Just like maybe you want to transfer film from your phone to your laptop. Do you understand what I'm trying to say like that? So it's so easy like that. During the course of this video, we will learn about how to do that. So basically, that's wallet. And now let's look at creating wallets. Now, take for instance MetaMask. I already have MetaMask installed here. So what I will do is, let me see. Okay, I already have MetaMask installed here. So let's see what we should do. Okay, let's install Mozilla Firefox. Are you getting? Let's install Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla. Let's see, does MetaMask? Yeah, it has. Yes, it's on Firefox. MetaMask is on Firefox. MetaMask is in Firefox. So we will continue talking about the security part of crypto before now we will move. I will show you how to open the new stuff and the things like that. So let's just do it. So that's let me download Mozilla Firefox. While we keep on downloading it, you keep on download Mozilla Firefox. Okay, download Firefox. Okay, let's see. Let's download. Okay, it's saying copy link address. I will just kind of paste this in my internet download IDM, the internet download manager, so that it can. Okay, I know. Sorry. Just start download. Start download, please. Okay, yeah, it's done. So the installer will start working while we talk, and hopefully it will get done before it's still installing. Good. Now let's talk about security. Let's talk about security. Again, let's talk about security. Now, in crypto world, you have to be very, very, very careful. I get it, very, very careful. One of the things I used to tell people is don't be greedy. I get it, don't be greedy. If you are not greedy, trust me, you won't get scammed easily. Trust me. You only get scammed maybe if they use magic or all this black juju. That's the only way you get scammed. You won't get scammed if you are not greedy. But if you are greedy and then you see somebody telling you that, okay, see, I'm going to give you 30% every month or 30% every week, you just have to see. We are rational beings. Are you getting me? We are rational beings. That we know what is right and what is wrong. We can think. Are you getting it? We have the ability to reason. So now somebody is promising you 30% every week. You should ask yourself, why are you giving it out? Why are you not the richest being on it? It's simple. If somebody is promising 30% every week, that means the person will be getting a sure 120% in a year. It's something that I can just go to bank and see, don't worry, give me a loan. I get in that. Don't worry, give me a loan. I know that what will be your loan interest? Maybe in a year, it will be maybe highest 30%. 30%. And me, I'm going to make 120% in a month. And then I'll just do compound interest. Boom. I will keep compounding it. And before you know it, I'm the richest being on it. I get it. Oh, sorry. Just a little this thing. Our Firefox is opened. So I get it. So I'll be the richest being on it. So let's just pause that and quickly go to our what's it called? Okay, thank you. Welcome to Firefox. Thank you. So we go to metamask.io. You can just Google search metamask.io. Please and please download now. It will bring what guys it Android, Firefox, and iOS everything. So supported product. Install MetaMask for Firefox. Let's install it for Firefox. So it will bring us to the add-ons page. Okay, add to Firefox. Yeah, sure, no problem with that. Add to Firefox. Okay, so it's currently adding to Firefox. That's how you do it. That's the same process you will go through in your Google Chrome. I get it. That's the same process you go through in your Google Chrome. In your Play Store or App Store, you go to the same, just that you have to install. Just look at it. So it's still the same interface. So it just it's working. Okay, we have, can you see here? We have access to data for website. No problem. Add, just add. Yes, Firefox has been added now. Okay. So can you see it automatically load the first time. If it's not loading, you can just come here. Look at it. You click MetaMask. I get it. And it will bring it, get started. Now, come over here. Let's look at it. It has import wallet, create a wallet. Now, we are starting a phrase also. We don't have any wallet. We don't even know what wallet it is or whatever. So we just say create a wallet. Okay. Create a wallet. It's asking you now. This, whatever, I agree. We don't read this thing. So it's asking for a password. Remember when I wanted to log into my MetaMask the other time? It asks for a password. Yeah, it's a password. You type in. So let's just input. Okay, it's saying password not long enough. So let's just input. Okay, let me input. Okay, Binance. Let me just. Binance, yeah, that's double Binance, yeah, I agree, even if you don't read the terms and conditions. Okay, we can just save. Okay, he's not asking us to secure our wallet. Now, look at it. He's saying something here. What is the secret recovery phrase? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized, or decentralized means no one has control. I get it, no one has control. So you have to keep things safe yourself, because once it's lost, no one can recover it. There are wallets that millions of dollars and it's gone for life. No one can recover it. No one. That's why look at it. Save in a password manager. Look at it. Save in a password manager. Store in a bank vault. Store in a safe deposit box. Write down and store in multiple secrets places. And you should not share your secret phrase. Okay, no problem. Next. Click to review. Look at it. That's our secret phrase. Are you getting? That's it. So I'm going to write it out. Bag, window, estate, party, lonely, disagree, again, silly, deal, quantum, weight, and smoke. Now you see the reason why you have to write it out now. Okay, next, it's asking us to select accordingly in the order. So we have bag, window, estate. Now let me see. Lonely. If you should select this, it won't tell you not to. I get it. But when you want to confirm, that's where the error will come in. Estate. So we have party, we have lonely, disagree, again, silly, deal, quantum, weight, and smoke. Then you confirm. Congratulations, all done. This is it. I get it. This is it. That's our wallet. This is our address. Look at it. Account 1. You copy your address here. I remember I told you, your address is not just It's not even something you can memorize. You copy, look at it. That's our there. OSCCCC, whatever. That's our address right there. You can close the tab. You can close the tab. You can close the whole this thing. Now let's try to open it again. Mozilla Firefox. We open it. Not in English. It's going to ask us. I get it. It's going to ask us. So you can unlock. Can you see it? So it's right there. Sorry, I did something. So you can just copy your address here. Now, if you want to create another wallet, I get it. If you want to, let's say, create another wallet, you just come over here, create account. I get the account too. Let's just name it test account. Create. That's it. Test account. It will have its own address too. Copy the address. You can see it. Oh, sorry. I don't think that's the address. Yeah, copied. You can see copy the address. What is? Okay. Something, a glitch is kind of happening. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Normally it shouldn't work like this. I get it. It shouldn't work like this. This is account one. This is this is a glitch. It's a glitch. You have this OS761 copied. I get it. You have it copied. You have it copied. Okay. I can just. I'm coming. I'm trying to see. Control C copy. Oh god. That's a. I think that's a glitch. That's a glitch. That's a glitch. I'm coming. I'm trying to check the Explorer. This is a glitch. I know. Oh. Now, if you notice, it is very great. This is good. This is very, very good. Like, it's very, very good. It's happened. I get it. This is very, very good. Now, let me show you something. If you notice something, I tried copying. Look at this test account. I get it. Now, look at this. You can see it starts from OS7C17572. Normally, that's what ought to be here, but it's not there. Okay. So we just gonna, look at this. It ought to be OS772, but what's coming up? Because this same thing is coming up. Let me copy this SD and see. Okay, look at it. It's not copy. Let's see this. Wow, same thing. Can you see it? Okay, good. Now I want to point out something really quick. I want to point out something. Let me come to Chrome. Let me copy this. Okay. I'm trying to. Okay. I'm trying to check something, please. I'm trying to check something. Okay. So let me just delete this. Delete. I think I'm bugged. Wow. Okay. Now, okay, I'm going to get to the root of this. Trust me, I'm going to get to the root of it. I want to know. I'm going to get to the root extensions. Extensions. I'm going to get to the root of this. Trust me. MetaMask. Remove. Okay, I've removed this extension now. I'm going to get to the root of it. Let me just start this. Let me bookmark it. Save. Bookmark. Okay, good. Close. Okay, let me just visit Ireland. I don't know. Normally I should, this you copy. Let me search it. Okay. That's which. Now let me check the comment section. Please kindly follow. I'm sure there will be some interesting comments. Can you see it? Look at this. This is ARC. When you make photocopy from MetaMask or other wallet, this address. He's weird. It's funny. I'm coming. Let me try my MetaMask on my phone. Let me try my MetaMask. Let me try my MetaMask on my phone. I'm trying to send a message to a WhatsApp group, crypto WhatsApp group, that people should try to use MetaMask on their system and copy and see if they are going to be faced with the same issue. Yeah. So I'm trying to alert people. That's how you do in crypto world. You alert others. Understand? You alert others so that they know what's going on. Okay, I think it's good enough. Yeah. Okay, so I'm coming. Let me check my phone MetaMask and see what's going on. Though it's been long I copied things from MetaMask. It's been long I copied things. So I don't think I should have that issue. Okay, let me see again. Okay, still having the same issue. So I'm just going to kind of try to clear cache. I'll try to clear cache. You just have to. This is funny, man. This is funny. Okay. Reset account. No, I'm not resetting account. So I have some valuable details there. Not state logs. Let's see experimental. No, not this. Advanced, not advanced. Okay. So I'm in my main public address copied to clipboard. I'll successfully copy that. Well, it's working fine on mobile. I get it. It's working fine on mobile. So I will just try to check if it's my system so that I can know okay that I am bugged. I'm trying to continue seeing it. I copy this particular address. Okay, let me see. Still the same thing. Still the same thing. Okay, we stop here. At least this is evidence that it happened.